As the popularity of YouTube continues to skyrocket, many aspiring content creators are looking for ways to grow their channels quickly. In 2024, there will be 18 types of trending YouTube channels that are poised for rapid growth. Here's a step-by-step guide for beginners on how to create and grow these channels. 1. DIY and home improvement. Create how-to videos on home improvement projects, DIY hacks, and decorating tips. Use clear and concise instructions and provide a list of materials needed. 2. Gaming. Play popular games and walk viewers through strategies, tips, and tricks. Collaborate with other gamers to increase your audience. 3. Cooking and baking. Share recipes, cooking tips, and kitchen hacks. Use high-quality visuals and step-by-step instructions. 4. Fitness and workout. Create workout routines, fitness challenges, and healthy lifestyle tips. Use engaging music and motivational language. 5. Beauty and makeup. Share makeup tutorials, skincare routines, and beauty tips. Use high-quality visuals and clear instructions. 6. Travel and adventure. Share travel experiences, destination guides, and adventure activities. Use stunning visuals and engaging storytelling. 7. Parenting and family. Share parenting tips, baby care advice, and family activities. Use relatable language and engaging storytelling. 8. Comedy. Create funny sketches, pranks, and comedic content that will make viewers laugh out loud. Use humor that appeals to a wide audience. 9. Music. Create original music or cover songs that showcase your talent. Collaborate with other musicians to increase your audience. 10. Education. Share educational content on various topics such as history, science, math, or language learning. Use clear explanations and engaging visuals. 11. Technology. Share tech reviews, product demos, and tutorials on various tech gadgets or software tools. Use clear instructions and engaging visuals. 12. Animals and pets. Share animal rescue stories, pet training tips, or cute animal videos that will melt viewers' hearts. Use high-quality visuals and engaging storytelling. 13. Business and entrepreneurship. Share business tips, startup advice, or success stories that will inspire viewers to start their own businesses or take their existing businesses to the next level. Use clear instructions and engaging storytelling. 14. Health and wellness. Share health tips, wellness routines, or self-care advice that will help viewers improve their physical or mental health. Use clear instructions and engaging storytelling. 15. Sports. Share sports highlights, game analysis, or training tips that will appeal to sports enthusiasts of all ages and backgrounds. Use clear instructions and engaging storytelling. 16. Artistry. Share art tutorials, painting techniques, or creative ideas that will inspire viewers to unleash their inner artist or craftspersonship skills. Use clear instructions and engaging storytelling. 17. Motivation. Share motivational speeches, inspiring stories, or personal development tips that will help viewers overcome challenges or achieve their goals in life or work-related matters, respectively. Use clear instructions and engaging storytelling. 18. Environmental issues. Share environmental awareness videos, eco-friendly lifestyle tips, sustainable living ideas, green technology innovations, conservation efforts, climate change news and updates. Use clear instructions and engaging storytelling. These channels have the potential to grow rapidly in 2024 because they cater to the interests of a wide audience base while providing valuable content that is informative, entertaining, educational, and inspiring at the same time.